facilitator. My name's Melissa.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Let's go around, learn everyone's names. Starting with you.
I'm Courtney.
Alyssa. Hey, quiet one. Okay, you.
Samantha.
I'm Melanie.
You don't know your name? We'll come back to you. Do you want to tell us your name?
What's so funny? He's laughing.
If you don't tell me your name, I'm getting Bart.
Alright, what's the problem?
He won't tell me his name.
I'm like terrified right now.
Alright, continue.
Okay. We'll skip you. Okay. So the question is,
How do you skip him? Ooh, I know how.
don't question me. I'm facilitating. The question is it better to play in the rain or to sit on the porch and watch it pour?
Play in the rain. Now.
You didn't even know the second part. Okay, why is it better to play in the rain?
Because it's
No.
no.
You should embrace the weather that God has blessed us with.
All right.
And play in the rain.
Don't just watch it. Just
Embrace it.
I completely agree with you.
Thank you.
Good. What do you think?
Your answer.
Oh, you never asked what your name was. What did you? We didn't get back to you.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. What do you think?
I think it's better to go outside and embrace the weather. You really gotta feel it to be it.
What if you get struck by lightning?
It's okay, you still are gonna feel it.
How do I decide?
You're really gonna feel it then.
He's not Helen Keller.
You want me to give a little
Makes more noise! Alright, hit Melissa.
No.
Touch him.
I
He
can't.
know, I know, well you would have to move.
Oh.
Okay, touch him so you draw his attention. Because he can read lips. Just talk. Just talk. He can read lips, he can read what you're saying.
Better to play in the rain or to sit on your and watch it pour.
Now he just thinks
I don't know how to answer to that.
Question, eh? Sit in the rain or play in the rain or sit?
Can't break character.
You're deaf. You're not you.
Oh, you can talk.
I can talk.
You can talk, you just can't hear.
I don't talk very well at all.
No, but if they lost their hearing after they were already grown up, they can still talk.
So go ahead. Why? Why?
I'm not feeling it. Is he just deaf?
No, it's just
Excuse me.
I hate rain.
Alright, I'm done recording this one.